Hey everyone, Frank Procopio with Royal Shell Real Estate here. Today I'm excited to be back here in Lely Resort to showcase 7712 Cottesmore Drive. Lely Resort is one of the most sought after communities here in Naples, and this home is no exception. So let's go inside and take a look. 7712 Cottesmore Drive sits on a corner lot that is just over a quarter of an acre. This 3-bedroom home plus den with 2 full baths is 2,298 square feet under air. Built by Stock Homes, this property features an open floor plan that leads out to your screened-in lanai with pool overlooking a pond. Lely Resort has the award-winning Players Club and Spa, which features 3 championship golf courses, 13 Har Tru tennis courts, 2 resort-style pools, pickleball, bocce court, activity center, full-service spa, and restaurant with tiki bar. I could go on and on about how much I love this home in Lely Resort, but why don't you find out for yourself by giving me a call at 239-206-6577 or click the link below to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see some more great properties here in Southwest Florida. Thanks, and until next time.